My, I am back. Hi everybody, how you doing? Hope you're all staying safe and healthy out there. As you may or may not know, I quit YouTube 8 months ago because YouTube was being a jerk, and it still is, and also for some health reasons. But I found out I miss making videos for you guys so much. Also, I found there are still subscribers who are watching my old videos, and that gave me a lot of energy to start again. So, welcome back to my new and improved channel. I do read my comments, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say. So please let me know your thoughts down below. This is Coco, and I hope we can hang out very soon.